So welcome to this session in LibreOffice Impress. In this module, I want to show you how you can animate a flowchart on a slide. So first of all, let's get a flowchart. So I'm coming over to the right hand side to the gallery area, and then you've got these flowchart shapes. So I'll drag a start shape on there, and then a process. So these are just a few I'll just put on there. A decision, another process, and then an end, like so. Now you can link these together with these different connectors, so just click on the connector and then push it to where you want it to be. So I'll just do the first one, just stick it onto there. I'll get it to turn round, and then the other end of it wants to go into this process, like so, and then maybe move that to the left a little bit, the actual shape, just to make that straight. And then you just follow the process through for the rest of it. Now to animate this, what you need to do is go to the slideshow tab and then click on animation. You've got slide transition there, but animation is what I want to talk about. So you click on animation, and then over on this side, if I click on a shape, you get the option to add an effect. So I'll click on add, and it's on entrance. You've got categories there. If I drop that little list down, you've got these different options, but I'll leave it on entrance. And then you can just basically pick one of these styles. If I click on checkerboard for this one, you'll get a little preview of that coming in, so it just shows you what it's going to do. So these are basic. This is the basic group. If I come down a bit further, you've got special. So I'll go for fade and swivel for this second shape. So add, come down, fade and swivel. Let's see what that does. Okay, very impressive. Next one, we go for the exciting options. So entrance, add first, sorry, entrance, and then scroll down for the last category at the bottom there, film credit. Now I've done that one before, that's not great. It just comes in, yeah, that weren't great. Falling, let's see what that does. Yeah, I don't like that one either. Pinwheel, that's okay. And then at the bottom there you've got different options where you can have things coming in together with the previous. So on that one, with previous, or on click, so basically you're in control. It's up to you what you do with that one. Then you've got the duration for the effect. So if I change the duration, maybe you want it to be a bit longer. You've got delay options down here as well, and then you can just click on play, and then it will show you what's going to happen. So if I click on the top one and then do play down the bottom here, it's a bit squashed on my screen, so that's going to show that. So that's duration was half a second. If I just put that up a bit and then just play that one again, it slows it right down, and you can see how that works. And same for that one, that's on 2 seconds. If I push that up a bit and then click on play, that's going to be a bit longer. Still not that dramatic. So that's basically how you can animate shapes in a flowchart, to build up a flowchart. When you put your slide into full screen, you can just click. They're all set to be on click. So you click and then the actual slide will build in the way you've asked it to. So if I put this into full screen presentation mode, I'll start from the first and only slide, as you can see. Now I've not animated this line, so that line will be sitting there looking at me, as you can see, and I didn't animate these two boxes. So obviously you need to animate the whole diagram, but when I click my mouse now, the first one comes in, which is what I animated, and the second one, the process, comes in. Let it do its business, and then on the click the third one comes in and it spins in like so. So animation is a dynamic feature that most people that do presentations utilize. It makes your slides more engaging and more interesting. So that's just a short little video on how to animate flowchart shapes. Hopefully that's of use. Thank you for your time, and I'll catch you in the next one.